Yo, what's up everybody? I'm back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how do I save presets in DaVinci Resolve 18. But these presets are for your project settings and then also for your render settings. But if you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. So let's dive into it. So what are presets in DaVinci Resolve? So presets for your project settings is basically save settings. It's basically a shortcut. So whenever you're creating a new project or if you're editing a project, you don't actually have to go into the settings every single time and edit your settings. What you can do is you can just load a preset and it will already have all of your settings on there from where you saved them at. So in order to do this for your project settings, what you do is you go to your settings, and then once you edit your settings, head to the top right and you'll see the options icons, like 3 little balls. You click on it, and then from here it'll be a drop down box. You have a couple different options. So one of the options you'll see is save current settings as a preset. And when you click on it, it's gonna tell you to create a name. So you can create it whatever name you want. For me, I created it Sony a6400 because my camera settings is paired with DaVinci Resolve settings. So that way I know whenever I'm using this preset is for this camera and the settings that I have for this camera. But before you actually save a preset, make sure you actually go through and change all of your settings for this project and then hit save and then go and save your preset. So that way when you're loading up your preset, it's loading to all of the settings that you had saved. So there's a couple different options on there. You also have import preset. If you have a preset already saved on your computer and you want to import it, then you can import it. You can also export your preset also, just in case if anything ever happens to DaVinci Resolve, maybe a crash or maybe your settings get messed up, then you'll have that backup on your computer where you can always import it and then have it. One more thing before we head over to the render settings is you have an option that's called set current settings as default preset. So what this does is every time that you open up a new project, this preset will automatically load, so you don't actually have to go and load the preset. Now, if you're only using one preset, then this is pretty good. Like myself, I only have one preset. So every time I open up a new project, I don't actually have to change anything. It's gonna automatically load with my preset settings. Now, if you have multiple presets, then it's a little different. I guess you could choose your favorite preset or the one that you use the most. That way that you don't actually have to go into load preset and make a new preset every single time you're creating a new project. So that was it for the project settings preset. Now let's head over to the render setting preset, which is really the same. What you do is you head over to the rocket or the delivery tab, and then up top you're gonna see those 3 balls again. I call them the options. You click on the options, you'll get a drop down bar, and then from that drop down bar you'll have an option to save the preset or set it as a preset. And once you click on it, then it's gonna give you an option to name it. You can name it whatever you like. Then once you name it, you'll see your preset at the very first of all of the presets at the top. Then you can click on it and then your preset will load. So this is a really quick tutorial on presets, on how to save presets, how to load presets, and what are presets. So if you enjoyed this video, man, again, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you all next Sunday with a new video. Thank you for watching.